Can I just ask? Is it just men? Are they the only legends?
Surely Madonna's in there. She's old enough, isn't she, to qualify? You could wear those
She'll be turning up especially
the Met Ball.
with her costume, yeah, just for you, because she knows how much you love that one.
She's always welcome on our programme.
Not if I'm here, she isn't.
Like to say, on here's his day off.
Madonna, if you're watching, come in on a Thursday or Friday. Okay, if you're going to do Good Morning Britain.
And you will get a very, very warm welcome.
Yes, or come in on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and get a very chilly welcome. You old fraud. Anyway, 7...
Oi! What's that about?
She's a fraud.
She's not.
Who am I apologising to?
I didn't ask you to apologise. I just said, why did you say that?
Because I think she's a ridiculous creature.
You're so unnecessarily rude about her.
I'm not apologising to Madonna.
Why not?
Because I think she's ridiculous.
No, she's not.
And offensive.
She's a legend. She's a beautiful legend. 28 minutes past 7, competition time. Here's Andy.